everyone, welcome back. Today we will be making Kung Pao with tofu. Let's start off with 2 tablespoons of veggie oil in a pan over high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 3 to 5 whole chili peppers, depending on how spicy you like it. Add long strips of scallions and saute for a couple of minutes. Add in some peppers, green or red, onions, and diced carrots. Now stir fry for a couple more minutes. Add your peanuts and tofu. We toasted our tofu in the pan prior to starting our dish. Slowly add your sauce and stir it continuously until it thickens. The sauce recipe is in the description box below. Now it's ready to be served over white or brown rice. This dish is absolutely delicious and great for our vegan friends. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, and comment. Please don't forget that we now post every Tuesday and Wednesday, so keep an eye out for our videos. Thank you for joining us on another one of our recipe videos.